Okay.
Ano?
Open.
Yan.
That is a video? Okay.
Ang gulo ng kwarto.
Why you are the best mom in the world.
Wow, by M and Boons. Wow! May ganun talaga?
Number 1. You are the best mom in the world because you always care for us.
Wow. Talaga ba, Temen?
Number 2.
Ito, may PowerPoint
You
presentation.
always cook for us even though we can't cook.
Wow.
Number 3. Even if we are angry, you are still there for us.
Ganda ko naman dyan, M.
That's
Si
not
Bunsoy
you.
ba yan?
That's not you. Number 4. You buy us things that we want, like ice cream, even though you don't have that much money.
Oh.
It's me. Conclusion.
No, may conclusion pa talaga.
You are so caring when we are.
M, is that a PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ang galing ah.
You start.
Hindi ako marunong niya.
Ikaw, Bons, ano na?
You start.
Ang gulo ng kwarto, puro tupiin.
So me first. Me first.
Sige na, sige na.
I made this paper mache donut.
Kakainin mo naman yan?
Ano to? Sa corona ko? Wala, kinuha niya lahat ng ano, yung mga pang ano ba? Pang bake ko. Ayun,
What's
may
that?
ganyan siya yung ano.
You read it.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I hope you have a great Mother's Day with us. And be happy with us. Oh. Ano to? My love for you grows and grows.
That's what Bunsen. I made this canvas. You hold my heart. Yeah.
Huh? This is your hands?
Yeah.
Ako na kamay mo, Em. Thank you, anak. So his hand are these?
Yeah.
Go.
Definitely.
When did you make this?
Yesterday.
Wow. Thank you, anak.
So my gifts are
No, yesterday, Friday.
my gifts are pretty bad.
Grabe ka naman mag-ups.
One.
Huwag ganyan magbigay sa nanay, Bones. Happy Mother's Day. Wow.
What is that?
Thank you for taking care of me and for buying me things. You are the best mom in the world. Thank you for everything.
That's it.
Number 2.
You.
Yung turtle.
Uy! May Hershey's! May Hershey's
May
talaga. Mom is my superhero. Na masira man to, Bones. Na may Hershey's, oh. Thank you, anak. Oh, thank you, anak. You made this, the hair. Mahaba naman ang hair ko.
But you said you have long hair.
Thank you, anak. Bakit naging red yung glasses ko, anak?
Those are
Na-turtle pala si Mami.
basically masks.
Parang Ninja Turtle man to.
Turtle pala si Mami.
No.
Thank you, babies.
So next is just a book.
Oh, may book pa talaga. May pagganto pa talaga. My mom
Wait for
and
the
me.
perfume one. Wait for the perfume.
Wow, my mom is beautiful. Na mali ang spelling. Ano to? She was born like that and she became really beautiful. And she is really calm. Wow, calm?
Yeah.
Because
I don't know.
you, ano? You listen to? Ano? You listen to a lot and she is nice. Ano?
Yeah,
You listen, you listen to? Ano?
You listen to. I don't know. I can't. I
No.
forgot.
My mom smells like perfume because she loves Bath and Body and she already, ano to, has 2 boxes of them. And she smell wonderful because she uses perfume.
Yeah.
I love my mom hugs me because I feel comfortable and I feel warm and happy when she hugs me. My favorite memory of mom is when she read a story from the Bible first to me. First, we heard about Noah's Ark, and I love it. Si Noah's Ark talaga naalala eh. My mom makes me feel happy, wonderful, grateful, and calm because she loves me. And when my mom tickles me because I'm so happy when my mom tickles me because it makes me laugh, and I'm so happy when my mom hugs me because I feel safe. Okay. My mom makes me laugh because she is funny and makes a lot of funny things, and I just laugh. My mom is the best because she is my mom. And she gets things for me. And she loves me. Boss, ano to? Chimken?
No, that's toys.
The most fun
That's
thing
the last page.
I've done with my mom usually is play with her. And I read
With her.
with her. And the last one is when we go swimming.
Yeah.
Being a mother is not about what you gave
Gave up.
to have a child, but what you gained from having one. Saan mo napulot to, Buns? Lalim, Buns.
Mr. Soft.
No.
A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. Too much naman, Moons. Too much naman, kiss Mami Moons. Ay, sus. Di ka mapagod mag-kiss kay Mami Moons?
Never.
O, hug Mami.
Just
Mami also feels
keep this
comfortable.
face.
Na, mukhang Ninja Turtle talaga to. Oh.
Keep
Si
this
Michelangelo.
And what if you already have a girlfriend?
Na, patay.
Oh.
Oh, ano? Paano kung may girlfriend ka na, you will still hug Mami?
Yeah.
Paano kung may wife ka na, you will still hug Mami?
Yeah.
Kiss.
Yeah.
Oh. May pruweba na, oh. Meron tayong pangahawakan, may babalikan tayo. Thank you, Boos.
Is this better? Is
Kiss
this
Mami
better?
M.
Is this better? Is this better?
Yeah. Kiss them, M. Thank you, babies. My babies. Love you. I don't really have enough. But what I give is my heart. Wow.
Stick this onto the mirror.
No! No, what is that?